everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Time design team project, or projects rather. So today I was supposed to make a tag, and I also made a couple of treat boxes that I'm also going to show you as well. So what I used to create my tag is the cookie sheet, and I used the largest one. And then for the treat boxes, I'm using that Gable treat box that she just released. These are some of the additional items. I'm using the gift card sentiments, and I'm using, I want to say, For You. I'm also using the small bowl die, the Snowball frame dies, and I think I'm using this one here. I'm also using the Ginger Accessories 2. Most of these here, and out of the Ginger Accessories 1, I'm only using the small hat. However, the Ginger Accessories 1 is currently out of stock. Sorry about that. And then I also use Baking Up Love Sentiments, and this one's currently out of stock as well. Sorry about that. But I'm using Baking Memories, and also one more from here, Fresh Baked. And from one of her recent releases, I'm also using Whispered Love 2026. And this one from last year, Hello Spring. Starting out with the tag, I thought it turned out really cute. I actually made the treat boxes first, and then noticed that I was supposed to create a tag, and I said, oh, that's okay, because I can create the tag to coordinate with the treat box. So I thought that turned out really cute. I love that. Oh, I forgot to show you a die. Let me get that real quick. Here goes that die. It's the Apron Stamp and Die set. And I'm using this apron right here. And I didn't check and see if this is in stock. I hope it is. But that's what I'm using. And so anyways, I thought I would put the little hand towels on her apron and add the little hearts for her pockets. And then Just For You on here is the sentiment from that from the gift card sentiments. I think that's where that was from, and I just popped that right across there, and I thought it would turn out really cute. Love it. And then I just put a plain piece of paper on the back side so that you can add a sentiment to that. So that's the tag that I created, and here goes the coordinating treat box. I love how this turned out. My sister actually asked me to create some treat boxes for one of her friends because she wanted to give some cookies, and so I told her it is just depending upon the size of the cookies that she makes, she can probably get about 4 smaller cookies in there. That's my assumption, but the lady said she would make them according to the size of the box, so I thought that turned out really cute. And then I used those snowflakes for the cookies, and then and I got these little hearts out of one of her dies. I forgot to grab that one, but I'm sorry, I don't even remember. I just have actually, yes, I do remember. I think the hearts came out of this one, Lots of Hearts plate. I hope that's in stock as well. So that's where I got those from. But love how this turned out. It's so cute, so cute. And I've just popped that little hat on top there for decoration there. And I love how it turned out. So cute. So that's that one. And so here goes another little box that I also made for my sister. And this is in using that Hello Spring, and it's in the teal colors. Love, love, love that. Just adorable. I love how this turned out. Put Fresh Baked down there. And then I used one of the little small aprons to pop up top there. Just adorable. So those are my creations this week for My Creative Time. I'll have her link down below, as well as all of my design team sisters. So make sure you go over and visit them as well. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or on release weekends, it is 15% off. And thank you so much, everyone, for using my code. I really appreciate it. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.